Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look at soft wash companies in your city. Now, soft washing has become a game changer in the world of exterior cleaning. It's a gentle yet highly effective method to rid your home of dirt, grime, and unsightly stains without causing any damage. And guess what? We're here to guide you on finding the best soft wash companies right in your city. But first, why soft washing? Traditional pressure washing can be harsh on surfaces, leading to potential damage. Soft washing, on the other hand, utilizes a low-pressure technique paired with eco-friendly cleaning solutions. This not only ensures a thorough clean but also safeguards the integrity of your home. So, how do you find the top soft wash companies in your city? Here's a quick guide. Step 1. Online research. Fire up that search engine and look for soft wash companies in your area. Check out their websites, reviews, and testimonials. Limpier Cleaning Services is just a click away, providing top-notch soft washing services tailored to your needs. Step 2. Local recommendations. Ask around. Friends, family, or neighbors may have had positive experiences with local soft wash services. Recommendations go a long way in ensuring you're choosing a trusted provider. Step 3. Professionalism and expertise. When evaluating companies, prioritize professionalism and expertise. Limpier Cleaning Services boasts a team of skilled professionals dedicated to delivering exceptional soft washing results. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Soft washing not only enhances the curb appeal of your home, but also protects it from potential damage caused by mold, mildew, and algae. It's a win-win. And here's the exciting part: if you're in our service area, Limpier Cleaning Services is your local soft wash expert. We specialize in using eco-friendly solutions, ensuring your home receives the care it deserves while keeping our planet in mind. So, if you're ready to give your home a fresh, clean look without the hassle, choose soft washing with Limpier Cleaning Services. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your space clean. Until next time, happy cleaning!